In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on Google Finance. Before we dive in, a quick heads up, Google Finance doesn't execute trades. It's a great place to research companies and track your holdings, but the actual buying happens through your brokerage account. Here, you'll learn how to log a stock purchase so you can monitor performance in a clean, organized portfolio. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com Finance. This is the homepage where you'll see market news, indices, and a search bar for companies and tickers. To make things easy, look for the sample portfolio option and click it. This opens a ready-made space where you can practice and see how a portfolio is structured without setting anything up from scratch. Once you are in, click on Portfolio. This view is where your investments live. You'll use it to add positions, track cost basis, and follow gains and losses over time. On this page, find and click Add Investments. That opens the panel where you'll enter details about the stock you want to record. In the search field, start typing the stock you plan to buy. You can use the company name or, even better, the ticker symbol for accuracy. As you type, Google Finance will suggest matches. From the list, select the listing you want. For this walkthrough, choose Goodyear Tire and Rubber Co. If you're following with a different company, that's fine. Just make sure you're selecting the correct listing and exchange. Next, enter the quantity. This is the number of shares you purchased. Type the amount you intend to track here. It helps to double check your number before moving on, since this figure determines your position size and performance calculations. Now click on the purchase date field. This lets you specify when the trade took place. A calendar will open, so go ahead and click the exact date you bought the shares. Accurate dates ensure the system pulls the right historical price, which keeps your cost basis and performance data correct. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new holding will appear in the portfolio with its current value, day change, and overall performance. From here, you can monitor how it moves, add more positions, or edit details later if needed. Remember, this process records and tracks your investment on Google Finance. To actually purchase shares, use your brokerage account, then mirror the details here for tracking. That's it. Your stock is now added and ready to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.